Hello students. Now we will discuss about how to write formal letters. What is a letter? A written or printed communication directed to a person or organization. Now we will discuss definition of letter writing. Letter is written masses. We write a letter to persons who are far away from us. We want to convey our masses to them in a clear and forceful manner. The exchange of written or printed communication. Writing letters is considered to be an easy thing to do, but very few write really good letters. A good letter should follow all the rules of good conversation and good composition. Now, before writing a letter, examine the tone of the letter to which you are going to respond. Identify your audience and purpose in order to determine the type of letter you will write, formal or informal. Analyze your reader. Who is your reader? Will my reader be favorable or unfavorably disposed to what I am going to say? What impression do I want my letter to make on readers? Formal letters. Writing formal letters. While writing formal letter, it is important to have write formal. Whether writing the letter to school, college, business, or institution, the need to be taken care. It is important to write the letter in a professional way. The structure of the letter is important too. The formal letter should be short and formal. The presentation of the letter is important to have the effectiveness. The following points can be considered for helping one frame correct formal letter. The letter written to the person should be acknowledged like respected sir, dear ma'am. Date and subject of the letter is important for any formal letter. Your purpose of writing the letter should be descriptive. The body of formal letter should state the actual purpose and highlight areas of concern as precisely as possible. Thanking you, yours sincerely, yours faithfully, or warm regards is written towards the end, below which is written the name of the person writing the letter. We have different type of letters. It may be about some inquiry, some order, some refusal, acceptance, quotation, follow up or cancellation of something, some order, compliance, complaints, claims, adjustment, settlement, collection, agency, sales letters. So letters, even the formal letters, have lots of variety. Now, what is the starting? Starting of a formal letter. We are, or I am writing to inform you that, to confirm, to request, to inquire about, referring to previous contact. Thank you for letter of March 15. Thank you for contacting us. Thank you for your letter regarding with reference to our telephone conversation. It was a pleasure meeting you in London last month. Making a request. We would appreciate it if you would. In addition, I would like to receive. It would be helpful if you could send us. I'm interested in receiving or obtaining. Please let me know what action you proposes to take. So it has a definite structure. Offering help. A letter may having some offer to help. Would you like us to? We would be happy to. We are quite willing to. Our company would be pleased to. So we offer help. Giving good news. We are pleased to announce that. I'm delighted to inform you that. You will be pleased to learn that. Giving bad news. We regret to inform you that. I'm afraid it would not be possible to. After careful consideration, we have decided not to. Complaining, I am writing to express my dissatisfaction with. Please note that the good we ordered on have not yet arrived. We regret to inform you that our order is now considerably overdue. So, uh, this is the layout of a letter. What should be the body of the letter, what should be the starting of the letter, what should be the salutation, है ना. Another is what is the introductory part, main content, concluding part, and the name of the writer. Now, the points to remember while writing a letter: use proper layout according to the type of letter. Write the address, date, salutation, and subscription near the left hand side margin. Indenting and punctuation marks may be avoided. A letter should not be in the box. Leave space after a para or important part of layout. Divide the contents body of a letter into 3 paragraphs. Introduction includes the beginning of the letter. Content includes the main point of the letter. End includes the conclusion and suggestion of the letter. And do not use any comma after the salutation and subscription. There is no apostrophe s in yours. Be accurate, specific, and concise. Practice creativity in presentation of ideas. Use only relevant ideas. Have fluency in presentation of ideas. Express them in a coherent and organized manner. Organize your ideas before writing the letter. Don't use obsolete expressions. Be simple, direct, and to the point. Now, a letter should have an expression of opinion on a current subject or issue. So, when we write a letter to the editor, it should have expression of opinion and current subject or issue. A persuasive text with the aim to express views to a wider public. A written way of talking to readers of a regularly printed publication, newspaper, magazine, or periodical, etc., are often responses to articles from the particular publication or to other letters to the editor. Now I am giving you one sample of a letter. As a social worker, you feel upset as some of the good schools are admitting as many as a student in a class just to mint money. This is adversely affecting academic standards. Write a letter to the editor of the Indian Express highlighting this corrupt practice. Sign the letter as any name, Jack, Jessica, or anything. So we have to write the editor, the Times of India, then regarding commercialization of education, and then you can write the main content of the letter. Letter of placing order. You are Nalini or Vishal, hostel warden, Janet, public school, Hopley. Write a letter to the sales manager, Bharat Electronics and Domestic Appliances Limited, Bangalore, placing an order for a few fans, microwave, ovens, and geyser that you wish to purchase for the hostel. Also ask for the discount permissible on the purchase. So you have to write the sales manager, Bharat Electronics and Domestic Appliances Limited, Bangalore. Then you have to give the subject that would be order for domestic appliances, and then you can give the details of the articles which you want to purchase from that firm. So ceiling fans or table fans or microwave, ovens, geyser. So you can give the quantity as well as rate or total amount, whatever it is. We hope all the then you can give the details about the discount or anything else. When do we write a letter of complaint? Writing a letter of complaint is something most people have to do at some point in their lives. Whether you are dissatisfied with the company's product or service, it is usually possible to resolve the issue in a mutually benefited way through a firm but polite letter of complaint. Writing a complaint letter should not be complicated or scary. All you need to do is clearly state the facts of politely request resolution. Now, I'm giving you one example of a complaint letter. You are Yatish Jain, studying at C34 Rashtriya Road, Dehradun. 3 months ago, you bought a DVD player from Kuntal Electronics with a warranty of 1 year. Now you are encouraging a nagging problem. The CDs inserted in the DVD player do not run smoothly and pause at regular intervals. Write a letter to the manager of Kunal Electronics requesting him to sort out the problem and, if needed, replace the DVD player against the warranty that goes with it. So you will write the subject replacement of DVD player, and here you can see the main body or the content of the letter. Uh, Then we have letters of inquiry, describe what the writer wants and why. The most unusual the request, the more convincing the reason needs to be. The purpose of this form is to obtain information from the readers. If the reader is expecting the letter, the writer task is easy. If the reader is not expecting your letter, then it is more difficult. In this case, following these four guidelines will be helpful. State your purpose, list your questions, or request action. Often something in return to encourage action. Follow up with a thank you note, email, or phone call to a person who will help you with your request. So you can write, dear sir or madam, I'm Ramlal Verma, writing this letter to you to know regarding the car exchange scheme. I saw your advertisement for an exchange of old cars in Danik Bharat today. I'm interested in exchanging my old car to get the new offered car through the exchange scheme. So please explain to me more about the scheme and its terms and conditions. Please contact me to the above given mobile number and could also email me at ramlalverma gmail@gmail.com. Thanking you sincerely, Ramlal Verma, General Manager, and you have to give your mobile number as well as email so the person can contact you. Now we have one assignment for you. You are Vivek Khanna, residing at 1160 Pantnagar district, Udhampur. Write a letter to the district magistrate drawing his attention to the nuisance of loudspeakers in your locality. I think now you would be able to write a formal letter. Thank you.